Hey, Stephen here with another DIY musician guide. In this guide, I'm going to go over 7 ideas you can use to find other band members. So it can be really daunting looking for other musicians, band members, whatever you want to call it. Back in the day for me, it was just me looking for other people left to my own devices. So I understand it can be a bit of a struggle. And I've been to a lot of auditions and I've held a lot of auditions for other musicians, so I'm not surprised that one of the most questions that's asked is how do you find other band members. So I'm going to go over 7 ideas in this video, but before that, please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, number 1, ads in music shops. Now this is probably the most iconic, like certainly for me. It's basically you have your main snappy bit of ad copy at the top, and at the bottom strips where you can either put your phone number or an email address, basically something that somebody can get in contact with you. And you'll know how well the ad is doing if you come back next week and some of the strips have been ripped off. And if it's not doing that well, maybe you could just adjust the copy a little bit more. You don't have to just put this in music shops as well. Just put it anywhere you think the people or the musicians you're after would go. Okay, number 2, open mic nights. Now think about it, these events are just brimming with musicians. Now you don't have to play them, just know that there are a lot of musicians there, and you could get in touch with the promoters or the organisers ahead of time and let them know that you're looking for musicians. Maybe they'll call out these kind of things in between the bands and artists. Just get to know people, mingle. Number 3, Facebook pages and groups. Now you want to check if your city or wherever you live has a dedicated Facebook page or group. For example, Liverpool has a really good one called Liverpool Bands, and it has an associated group. And all the time, they're always doing shout-outs from other musicians looking for drummers, bassists or whatever, or just actual musicians looking for a whole band. So it's really worth doing. Okay, number 4, that's number 4. Post on social media. Now, you've got Twitter, you've got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Take advantage of all these platforms to get your message out. A really good tip is if you're posting it on your Facebook page or your Twitter profile, make sure this message is pinned to the top of your page. Number 5, Facebook advertising. You can put an advert out that targets someone by location, age, what instrument they play, what music they're a fan of. It's endless really, and with the right ad copy you're sure to see some results. You just need a bit of a budget. Okay, number 6, Reddit. Now similar to Facebook and Facebook groups, your city might have a local subreddit that you can use to put the word out. Okay, lastly, number 7, listing websites. Now truth be told, this is how I found all of my band members back in the day. I found it really effective, but that was pretty much pre-internet when it was like black and white. But it was great. A good couple of examples: Craigslist, which I used to think was an American thing, but we've got it over here now, and one that I know everyone will be familiar with is Gumtree. Now they are free to advertise on, but you may want to pay to get more visibility on those ads. Okay, that's it, that's 7. Let me know if you've got any other ideas, because there are probably millions more ideas that I just haven't come across yet. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time with another DIY musician guide.